Hi there, I'm Charlene Rose Malbas, your dependable ally who can help make things happen. I'm a dedicated and goal-oriented general virtual assistant based in the Philippines, with experience in customer service, teaching, and administrative support. I bring a solid foundation in communication, organization, and problem solving. I am passionate about helping business owners stay productive and focused by taking care of the essential tasks behind the scenes. Some of the services I offer include email and calendar management, appointment scheduling, and task organization. I also handle document preparation, research, transcription, and customer service support, all with efficiency and attention to details. I am confident in my ability to work independently, meet deadlines, and adapt quickly to any virtual work environment. If you are looking for a reliable, self-driven BA who's ready to support your business success, I'd love to connect. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to working with you.